I like to use this drawing to demonstrate some of the backup features within gCADPlus. I've started a brand new drawing. It's called No Name, and I've been working on it for about 7 or 8 minutes. Just imagine that for some reason gCADPlus crashes. This can happen, for example, if you set a hatch pattern too big and too many instances of a hatch pattern get put into a small area, then gCADPlus, like AutoCAD, can go into what's called an endless loop and the program will shut down. If that happens, start up Windows Explorer and search for, in this case, a file called noname.lc$. Well, I've started Windows Explorer. The same approach would be used on a Mac using Finder, and I've gone into my local disk C users, and I'm currently using a user info 000. I've gone into the documents folder and found the, let's go back there, found the folder gCADPlus installs into a folder called gCADPlus. So let's go in there and we'll search for No Name. And there we are, No Name 1906130.lc$ is actually saved in that file, and it does so automatically. It happens every 10 minutes. That file will be saved in the same folder that your original drawing is, if you happen to have saved the drawing before this. Well, let's imagine that gCADPlus had indeed crashed and we've been using the No Name file. We've found it. All we need to do now is to rename that file $, and we'll give it a more meaningful name. We'll call it Recovered, and we'll hit enter, and yes, we do want to change it. And now when we go back into gCADPlus, we should be able to open up that recovered drawing. I'll simply close the file without saving. I'll say no, simulating a crash. Now we'll say open, and we'll need to navigate to our C drive and to our user area and to my info, to documents, gCADPlus, and into the drawings area, and we should find recovered. We open it up and there we are, we're back to where we were. So I hope that demonstrates that gCADPlus is looking after you all the time that you're working. At worst, you should only lose 10 minutes work if you happen, for whatever reason, to cause a crash or lose information rather.